lesson is all about fronted adverbials. Fronted adverbials give more information about a sentence. They might tell you when, where, or how something happened. A fronted adverbial is placed at the beginning of a main clause and is always followed by a comma. Let's look at an example of using a fronted adverbial for the sentence, Jack ate his burger. I'm going to use the fronted adverbial hungrily and put it at the beginning of the sentence and add a comma after. Now it reads, hungrily, Jack ate his burger. Now let's add a fronted adverbial to the sentence, Jane brushed her teeth. Right, this time I'm going to use a fronted adverbial to describe when Jade brushed her teeth. Before bedtime, Jade brushed her teeth. Can you find the fronted adverbial in the following sentence? In the bathroom, there was a large spider. The answer is in the bathroom.